Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to customize Bootstrap for Navbar. So let's get started. So here I have my project folder Navbar underscore cost, and we have a CSS folder which has bootstrap.min.css and style.css for our custom CSS. And inside this img folder I have a picture, and inside the JS folder I have a bootstrap.min.js and jQuery.js, and we have our index.html file, and this is our title, and we have loaded our bootstrap.min.css, style.css, jQuery, and bootstrap.min.js. So let's test our HTML file by writing hello world. So open up the browser and localhost /navbar underscore cost. So we have our text hello world which we have written here. So this means we are good to go. So now we are going to paste the code for Navbar here. So for that I'm going to open W3 schools and go to Bootstrap 4 and scroll down to the Navbar. So first of all we are going to paste the code for basic Navbar, which is right here, and copy this code and paste it in our document. Paste it, and now let's preview it in our browser, refresh it. So we have our Navbar. So now what we are going to do is put our Navbar brand text in here in this area. So for that I'll scroll down, and so we'll put our Navbar brand text like this. So to do this I'll copy this code here, copy it, which says Navbar brand, and it is inside the nav element. So I'll copy this and paste it below the nav element. And so let's preview our page. So we have our Navbar brand text, and we have our links. So now let's do another thing. So instead of text we are going to paste an image here like this. So to do this we will copy this image tag from here and remove the text and paste the image tag, and we are going to paste this image in this tag. So we have our image /lion.png. So let's refresh our page, and we have the image of the lion, and we have our Navbar text, navigation links. So let me increase the size of our logo. So we have the width of 40 pixels here, so I will increase it to 80 pixels. So if I refresh my page, so our Navbar logo has got bigger. So now let's change the background color of this Navbar. To do this I will give an ID to this navbar. So an id cust cost dash nav, and here we have a color called busy dash light, which I will delete it from here because we are going to keep color from this id. So now I'll open up my style.css file and write here cost dash nav and give a color. Okay, background color of S121212. So let's refresh our page again. So we have the background color of black, and I'll also change the navigation color. I'll give here a color and white, WHITE, white. So let's refresh our page. So we don't see any change because this color needs to be changed with some another way. So we have nav link class in the nav item. So I will give a color here. So I will copy this and paste it here, and so we have a navbar expand dash sm class, so which we will replace with cost that nav in here, and this is the id. So we have a nav link, and I will give here a color of white. Okay, so now let's refresh our page. So we have a white text of navigation links. So I'll choose a color from our logo. Okay, this color, and I'll paste it here. And now refresh our page. So we have our color, and another thing I wanna do is that if we hover over to this navigation link, we want to change the color. White. So let's refresh our page, and if I hover over to this link, so our color changes to white. So for this also I'll pick up a color from our logo, and I'll pick this color and paste it here. And save it and refresh our page. So if I hover over here, we have got a brighter yellow color. So now another thing is that we want to give some transition to while we hover over here, so that it will be smoother, our animation will be smoother. Transition, okay, all 0.4 seconds is dash in dash out. Save and refresh our page, and if I hover to our link, so our color will change smoothly now. After this, so let's see how much responsive is our navbar. So if I switch my mode to responsive design, so this is what it looks in the mobiles, in our smartphones, and it's not looking great. So we want to replace these links with a collapsible button, so which we can click and see our links. So to do this, we'll go to back to W3 schools, and what we want is collapsing the navbar like this. So to do this, okay, we want a button. So this button is this button, so I'll paste it here below our Navbar brand. And another thing we want is, now we have our UL class is wrapped with a div, and we haven't wrapped our UL class with a div, so we need to wrap it with this div with these classes, collapse, Navbar collapse. So I will paste it here, and I need to close this div slash. So now I have the div that has wrapped the UL element of our navbar. So let's look at our responsive design. So I've refreshed my page, and our links has gone, and we haven't seen anything here. So here we have our button, and which we are not seeing here, but we are seeing our links. So I need to make this button visible. So I'll inspect this button, and I need to give this a color. Okay, where navbar toggler. Okay, so I need to give this a white color. Is it displaying? Okay, it's not displaying. So I'll go back here, and I will give this class here for now. So this is navbar dash dark. Copy this class and paste it in our class of nav. Okay, save it and refresh our page. So we have our button, collapsible button, and if we click this, we see our links. So I have ran out of time, guys, so we will continue this navigation customization, navbar customization, in the next video. So for now, thanks for watching and goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.